Hello guys, today we are going to work on an iPhone 7 home button. This home button is cracked, the ICU10, as you can see here. So you guys can see there. It's right there. Okay, you can see here is cracked. Okay, right there. This home button is cracked. This home button IC turtle, sorry, which is the U10. So I'm just going to turn on my preheater. Just put the home button over the plate. Nothing special. Going to remove first. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to remove all coating around the IC. You can either use air or hot air, or just we can wait until the preheater is ready. We are going to help this process to small amount of heat here. Why we do this? Maybe you don't know why you have to remove the coating. Let's say on the boards, if you don't remove the coating, or in this case like this one here, if you don't remove the coating from this side, these two components, when you remove the chip, they may come with the chip at the moment that you remove it. They stick together. So that's why you want to remove the coating around. Also, it's going to be easier to take it out. But pretty much is for that reason. There, as you can see there's no more coating, and we are ready to start removing the chip. How we are going to remove the chip? Okay, you can either use heat, you can use the heat station, or you just can use the soldering iron. Okay, we are going to put a small amount of flux. Okay, and then we are just going to add, let me have my tweezer ready here. We're going to add to the solder. This tip is damaged already. As you can see there, the tip is damaged. Okay, yeah, it's ready. So we are just going to add, and we are going to just pull the IC when it's ready. Okay, that's it. It's ready. This way we don't make any damage. We don't have to put any air. And the only thing you want to do now is just, you see what I'm doing here? That's it. You don't have to push. Too much. Sometimes you will have to put coating, sometimes you don't need coating. Just clean it. See, it's there. It's ready to go. See here. Okay. That's it. The coating that is covering this around is very sensitive, and sometimes it's very easy to remove it, as you can see there. So let me remove this. I'm just going to put coating here in order to get this flat. You see, you saw I didn't put any. That's it. Okay. Now we're just going to add a small amount of coating there. Okay. Adding a small amount of coating. Okay, right there. This. Nice and clean. That's it. Okay. Just going to cure. We are going to cure the home button. We're going to cure the coating before installing the new chip. Okay, we have the new one here. It's right here. We have the very cure. Let's take a picture here. Many people ask me, what do you need to in order to learn micro soldering? Okay, in my opinion, okay, it's only my opinion. In order to learn micro soldering, the first thing you're going to need to know, to have is hand skills. It's the first thing. It's the first. I believe in my opinion, I believe the first requirement will be is going to be hand skills, and the second one will have to be patient. Okay, if you have hand skills and patient, in my opinion, you are going to be able to repair, but it's only my opinion. Okay, you need to have hand skills and patient. Okay, now we are going to install a new chip. right there. Right there. Just going to cover this. Apply some heat. Remember, you are soldering over a flex. So this is faster and you need less temperature than when you're doing on a regular board. Okay? That's it. It's ready. To remove from here. Let's see if this is ready. Yeah, I can see this side is perfect. Can you see there? Yeah, that side is perfect. And this side is perfect. Okay, so let's test it on the phone. Turn off the set. Let's see if on the phone is going to work. This is the moment of the truth. That's it. Just going to test it like this. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Emergency. Now it works. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. As you can see here, perfect. Perfect. So this is how we repair this iPhone 7 home button. Okay, so it's right there. Perfect. Next thing you can do here is just, you can clean it a little bit and then just cover with some coating, so it's going to look professional. So you put coating. I'm going to show you here. So right there. Now we're going to add some coating. Just add some coating here. You're going to see how it's going to look. Looks very good. Very professional. and it's going to also help you to hold the IC. That's it. This is going to be our final result. If you want, you can clean the top part, or you just leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that. Just now, we are just going to cure the. We are just going to cure. But that's how to say. The first thing you do is try to check with another screen to make sure there's no issues on the screen. If the flex on the screen is not damaged, so you wanna always check that. So okay, that's it. That's our final touch right there. You can see there, it's right there. So that's how we are going to return this to the customer. Okay, make sure this is cured. Yeah, it's hard enough. And this is how we finish this repair. If you want, you can also remove this coating here if you don't like how it looks, but it's going to work perfectly. So thank you for watching. That's what you see there is it's flux that it burns a little bit. You can cover with coating, or you just can remove the coating. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any recommendation, put it in a comment there, so I will try to help you as much as I can. I don't make that much like funny comments because I'm not that kind of person, sorry, but at least I'm trying to teach as much as I can. You know, the purpose on these videos is for you guys to learn. So thank you. Hope we see you next time.